Hi, this is Isha. You're watching a video with justtutors.com. In today's video, we'll be learning about frustum of a cone. In this lesson, we'll first work with the introduction to frustum of cone, and then we'll work how to find volume of a frustum of a cone. Let's start our lesson with some warm-up questions. You can pause the video here to try these questions. Volume of a cone is given by 1/3 pi r square h. So I'm writing it as times by pi times by r times by r because it's r squared, so it's r times r, and then times by h, which is height. What are the properties of similar triangles? So similar triangles, we have corresponding angles equal, or we can say corresponding angles are equal, and corresponding sides in proportion. These are the properties of similar triangles. If you know the answer to both the questions, it's really wonderful. Now we are good to start with the introduction to the frustum of a cone. A frustum may be formed from a right circular cone by cutting off the tip of the cone with a cut perpendicular to the height, with this forming a lower base and an upper base that are circular and parallel, as you can see in this picture. The upper one is a cone itself, so the upper part contains the vertex. However, in the lower part you see there is no vertex. This part is known as the frustum, and this is a frustum of a right cone, that is, it's making a 90-degree angle here at the base. Let's see what are the important formula that we have to find the volume of a cone. We have already worked with it, that volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Volume of a frustum, here it is 1/3 pi h, and in brackets we keep r squared, which is the capital R, which is the radius of the larger cone, plus capital R and small r, where small r is the radius of the smaller cone that is cut out to form the frustum. Or we can say capital R is the radius of the base for the frustum, and small r is the radius for the top face of the frustum, and then added to the square of the radius r square. Let's look one example. Height of the frustum is given as 45 centimeters, and the two radii, that is radii for the bottom and the top, is given as 28 and 7 centimeters respectively. Keeping the same in the formula, pi h/3 capital R squared plus r plus small r squared. Putting all the values in this equation, we have 48,510 cubic centimeter, because it's volume, so it's centimeter cubed. With this, you can try one practice question here. You can pause the video to try your practice question. If you're done with your practice questions, make sure that you check your answers with the answer slides provided at the end. Thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.